Ever wonder why you sneeze? It's your body's super fast way of kicking out irritants like dust and pollen from your nose to keep you healthy. When these tiny invaders tickle your nose, special nerves send an urgent message to your brain that triggers a powerful, rushing sneeze to evict them. A sneeze can travel surprisingly fast. Some sneezes zoom at nearly 100 miles per hour. That's faster than many cars on the road. So next time you feel a sneeze coming on, remember it's your body's amazing way of staying clean and healthy. Cover your mouth and bless you.